Good morning everyone, how are you? Today is Wednesday, is 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to film this month's video. This is going to be like a draw with me and testing out new products. I'm going to try out these babies with you, these Arteza colors. These are some acrylic colors and they are actually like this, you can see, and I'm really curious. I really want to see how they work. So about the drawings, I thought about draw some of my villagers on Animal Crossing. I think you probably all hear about Animal Crossing already, but for the ones that doesn't know, it is a game on the Nintendo Switch. I really love it, and it's so relaxing to play it. It's actually the only game that I have at the moment, so if you have some tips on other games, just please leave them in the comments, because at the moment I'm so obsessed, and it's so nice, and there is full of cute characters, so it is also really inspiring for me. So I thought about picking 3 of my favorite villagers. I have some really cute ones at the moment, and just doing some fan art about them. So I will do some research on Pinterest, probably on Google, and search for some reference so that I can see the character really well while I sketch, and then I will color them. I'm not like the best when it comes to use the brushes and use acrylic colors or watercolors. Probably you know that already. I prefer to color with colored pencils. So let's see if I will be able not to do a mess. I really hope that at the end there will be some nice illustrations. So we will really try this out together. I've already cut some papers, so I'm going to use like 3 postcard size paper. I will show you what kind of paper I'm going to use in a second. And yes, so I have some tea with me, so I think we are all set and we can start to draw. So this is the paper that I am going to use. This is actually just a universal block. It's a kind of paper that you can use with watercolor, with gouache, or with acrylic. So it is really useful, so that I don't need too many kinds of paper, and I can just use this one, and I really like it. The brand is this one. It's easy to find here in Germany. If you don't live in Germany, maybe you want to check it out and just look for some mixed media paper. And the Arteza set is this one with 20 colors. These are the kind of colors that are inside. And it looks like this. It is really nice to have some small bottles, so you can use just a little amount, and then you can just close it and the paint inside won't get dry. I'm going to show you also my villagers. This is one, for example. I have version in Italian, so this one is called Rubina. I will check for the English names. We can check the map here, and these are all my villagers. As you can see, they are like the cutest, really the cutest. So I think I will pick only 3 of them for sure. Mati, and this one is called Annibale in Italian. I don't know the English name. I will check it out, and then probably I will pick this little bear over here. So I did like a small research, and I will go with 4 of them, so do some sketches and then choose to color only 3, because I cannot choose between text, that is the penguin in English, and then this one is also adorable, and it is Dizzy, and then I will for sure do Lolly, because I mean, come on, she's adorable. And then we have this cutie, and she's called Maple. So I'm about to make some sketches, and then, as I said, we will color them. So these are my artworks. It took me quite some time to make them because, as I said, I'm not like the best one with acrylic. I don't have the right skills, so I think the result, it could have been better for sure, with a lot of practice, and even not that bad for me because I don't use it that often. But I think they are cute. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite and if you like them. For the colors, I really love them. Here they are. They were really easy to use, and the color are so lovely that most of them you can use them as they are. You don't need to mix them. They are really beautiful this way. I really had fun trying them out. I would like also to make some clay pins and use them also over there, so stay tuned for more experiment with these colors. And yes, so that's it for this video. I will see you next time. I wish you a lovely day. Bye.